right, pineapple. All right, I love this one. All right, I love this one, pineapple. I've been drinking this over the last, say, how long now? About about 5 working days. All right. So we got the pineapple in it. We're gonna put some pomegranate seed. This is one of my favorite. This is what I've been drinking over the last couple of days. All right. You can get pomegranate seed to buy in your local shop or your supermarket. All right. Let's go and get it, guys. All right. Gonna get some ginger. Ginger. I mean, this is where you want to get some lemon. You want to squeeze out the lemon juice into it. All right. Yeah. So you want to get the one with the seeds. All right. All right. Now I'm gonna tell you the honest truth. You can add water to it. All right. Yeah. 7852. Big up yourself every time. Big up yourself 100%. Now you can add water to it, but I'm not gonna add too much liquid. All right. I'm gonna add a little bit, rough about cups of water into it. Not too much water. All right. Yeah. Christy Williams, good morning or good afternoon. Yeah. On the menu, that's pomegranate seed, pineapple, ginger, lemon, and yeah, we're good to go with some pomegranate seed. All right. Yeah, man, this one is a perfect one. 100%, guys. Yeah. What we're gonna do is put on our lid. All right. Look at that. Beautiful and nice. So we're gonna make some nice and wake up our neighbor down. I make them, you know, they hear what's going on. We're gonna run it through the strainer. I'm gonna run it through a strainer. Perfect. So you don't need to blend it too long when you have a good blender. We're gonna run it through our strainer. All right. this is where you don't have to fill it up like what I did, but I know exactly what I'm doing. All right. Yes, Chrissy Williams, big up yourself. All the way in Jamaica. Where you are in the US? Okay, wicked. You're at the right place, man. I'm in the US. Great go, man. Get all of that liquid out of it, guys. Don't waste it. You know, you don't want to waste it. Yeah. Oh man, that's a long flight. Anything over 2 hours long to Jamaica. All right, guys. So basically, as you can see, exactly what I'm going to write. So can't waste nothing. All right. Yeah. That is good. 100%. You can eat this if you like to. That is good. Wow. Remove a little bit of the froth. Wow. All right. Now, this is how it looks, guys. Perfect. Yeah. Yeah, girl. What's going on, yeah, girl? I see you planting. What were your girl planting? Tomato? Yeah, tomato. Whole heap of things we see you plant. Do you have a restaurant chef? No restaurant. 87. I like to open a restaurant. I want someone to help me. I'm looking help. The link for the book is in the bio. And pomegranate seed benefit is Craig. You did buy the book. Yeah, thank you so much. Here's his him. Happy New Year, man. And Merry Christmas. Nice to see you coming on the show. The link for the book is in the bio. Download the book to your phone or to your computer. Very easy and simple. £1.50 for the book. All right. That's like you go to the shop and buy a bottle of milk. You know? Yeah. Gregor, what's going on? Gregor, let's cheers, man. Long time. Cheers. You know what happened? I just give God thanks for what the Lord has provided for me. Yes, yes, yeah, girl. I see you planting up a whole heap of things. Yeah, man. Yes, yeah, girl. The book is the link is in the bio. Yeah, man. Cheers. 61 page. 1.94 in US dollars. Okay. In pound is £1.50. Yeah, man. Craig will support Chef Ricardo. You know. He uses him always to support me. Chrissy Williams and the other rest of people them wanna say nothing off, and I don't understand. They're shy. Why are you shy? I'm not doing. Listen, guys. I'm not doing you nothing. So if you're online and you watch Chef Ricardo, it doesn't take you nothing to say, Chef Ricardo, big up yourself, because I can't do you nothing, guys. All I can do is show more love. All right. If you not show love, well, I don't have anything else to say. All right. Yeah, man. So all of the other rest of people them who sit back and just look. Lisa, big up yourself. All right. And just sit back and look and nah say nothing. You're more than welcome, you know, man. You're welcome with love, you know what I mean, and blessing and prosperity. Yeah, so don't shy and keep yourself to yourself. And I said, "Chow, can't bother with this Chef Ricardo, man. We're not gonna be doing that. That's red flag, straight red flag. It's like you're up on a football team. We have to take care for the game. What is in that juice? Pomegranate seed, pineapple, ginger, lemon inside of it. Beautiful. All right, yeah.